Tesla has been revolutionizing the electric vehicle game for a while now, but now they are really trying to end the competition. You wonder how? Tesla is bringing a really cheap electric car to the market, and its price is way lower than you can imagine. Hello guys, welcome back to Tesla Innovations. In today's video, we'll be talking about the cheapest Tesla vehicle, the Tesla Model 2. But before we begin, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon if you're a fan of Tesla and electric vehicles so you'll be notified when we upload. Alright, let's jump right into it. Elon Musk loves to keep people excited by teasing upcoming models and features. He is also regularly late in bringing them to market. A Tesla that is less expensive than the current Model 3 could be on the way. The Tesla Model 2 could be one of the most exciting automobiles of the decade if this is true. Not only shall it bring electric mobility to the masses with its affordable price, but it will also transform how EVs are regarded and manufactured. The first batch of models is expected to be tested on the road soon. However, it's unclear whether this is true, as neither Tesla nor Musk have mentioned another concept in such an advanced stage of development. Let's start with the most obvious aspect, the price. Tesla has frequently claimed a $25,000 MSRP for this new entry-level vehicle. Though, as we saw with the Tesla Model 3, the CEO's estimates can be overly optimistic. Tesla initially sold the Model 3 for $35,000, but the least priced variant now costs $37,990 before possible discounts and gas savings. The $35,000 base model was reportedly pulled for lack of demand. Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated during the company's Q1 2021 earnings conference call that production of the Model Y is continuing to ramp up in Fremont and Shanghai. They are still working on Semi, Cybertruck, Roadster, and other products in the background. Musk hasn't yet commented on the time it would take for a new model to see the light of day, and neither has there been an official statement by the company. However, Tesla did confirm 2 new electric cars at the 2020 Battery Day and annual shareholder meeting, one of which is expected to make the brand more accessible with a price tag of $25,000. Since the car has not yet been officially named, rumors are the new car will be called the Model 2 because of its lower positioning. Even though we are yet to see any design updates on the car, it is safe to assume it will be stunning considering Tesla's reputation. If the Model 2 shall indeed cost around $25,000, it's quite the bargain, especially since you receive access to the Tesla suite of technology as well as the supercharger network. The Model 2 will most likely come with FSD as standard, along with 400 to 500 miles of range in the top spec variant. However, it will have a base model with a battery pack that is smaller than that of today's electric cars. With battery technology improving every year, the Tesla Model 2 will undoubtedly have something unique under the hood. The maximum range of the 2012 Tesla Model S is roughly 265 miles from an 85 kilowatt battery pack, while the 2019 Tesla Model 3 long range can go up to 322 miles with a significantly smaller 72.5 kilowatt battery pack. So it's not unreasonable to assume the same from a smaller Tesla Model 2. But it is still unclear if Tesla would use the Model 3 platform as a starting point for such a hatchback or something smaller and far differentiated. Tesla already has one of the greatest battery cells in the world. With the recent acquisition of battery tech pioneers Maxwell Technologies, Tesla is well on its way to outdo itself. If Tesla packs the Model 2 with the rumored specifications, it is reasonable to say it will prosper in a market where hatchbacks have usually died. The company is working on a new battery system that could be somewhat less expensive to produce and substantially safer. The cell packs are also intended to play a structural role in the chassis, resulting in a reduction in the number of parts. The model's performance is also a crucial issue to consider, especially given its lower price tag. Though the Model 2 will not have the same all-wheel drive monster launch as its siblings, it is expected to be faster than the average budget-friendly hatchback from major automakers. According to reports, Tesla will manufacture this new automobile exclusively in China, although it will be designed and developed in Germany. The company is building a gigafactory in Germany, which might potentially outperform its Shanghai facility in terms of production capacity. Elon Musk made a statement hinting at the future of Tesla Motors. Elon stated that Tesla would establish a design and engineering facility in China to develop an original car for global use. The Tesla CEO also went on to describe his upcoming project as something radical like the Cybertruck. A few days after this announcement, a new official render of a concept electric subcompact car popped up on the internet. In contrast to claims that a new model will be made exclusively in China, Tesla is believed to think that every car sold on a continent should be made on that continent. For example, Tesla will be selling the Chinese-made Model 3 and Model Y manufactured in the Shanghai Gigafactory only in China. This suggests that the Model 2 should be manufactured in Europe, North America, and other continents, presuming that it would be sold there. Starting around $25,000, this tiny hatchback electric car will be more affordable than the Tesla Model 3. In the end, the Tesla Model 2 will be a vehicle that achieves price parity between gas and electric cars, something that futurists have been claiming for quite a while now. Former software engineer and president of My Tesla Adventure, a Tesla owners organization, Eli Burton spilled a bunch of information about the Tesla Model 2. However, the majority of what he said is speculation based on the current geopolitical situation. According to Eli, the Tesla Model 2 will be $10,000 less expensive than the Tesla Model 3, which now sells for roughly $39,000. When will we be seeing Model 2? We already know that Tesla's Gigafactory in Shanghai will design and manufacture this entry-level vehicle. The car will be targeted at the Chinese market, but it will also be sold internationally, including in the United States. Of course, the Model 2 would face stiffer competition in China, where vehicles like Wuling Hongguang Mini EV are sold for less than $5,000. Because Chinese crash test requirements are significantly more lenient than those in the United States, automakers can produce far less priced automobiles without all the safety measures mandated by US law. Tesla could keep the Model 2's price low in China by keeping it equally bare. Such a vehicle would be illegal in the United States. The Model 2's drivetrain is pretty much unknown, although we expect it to be on par with other electric vehicles such as the Bolt and Leaf, with a minimum of 200 horsepower and a range of at least 200 miles. Tesla has already stated that the entry-level model will contain autopilot with the full self-driving option, even though it appears to be a costly feature. Another issue is that the rest of Tesla's lineup is now a bit dated by traditional automaker product cycle timelines. The Model S is a decade old and is only receiving a facelift and interior update. All of this leads to the big question: when will the Model 2 be released, and why haven't we seen it yet? Unfortunately, the first question is impossible to answer right now. Musk promised an entry-level Tesla 3 years ago, and 3 years later it still hasn't arrived. According to the most recent estimates, production will begin in 2023, but these rumors may prove to be overly optimistic. Aside from economies of scale, Tesla has a number of challenges before releasing a $25,000 entry-level model. First, the company must begin production of the Semi, Cybertruck, and Roadster, the latter of which was first unveiled in 2017. Another stumbling block is battery technology. Musk stated on Tesla's Battery Day that the firm would introduce an in-house tabless battery that would be cheaper to manufacture while providing 6 times more power and a 16% increase in range. These batteries sound revolutionary, but they are still a few years away. The $25,000 Tesla appears to be similar to many other Musk's promises, a fantastic idea with a significant wait time much like the batteries themselves. In the future, Tesla will produce a $25,000 car, but you should not hold your breath if you're looking for a new car in the next few years. There is no reason why Tesla cannot dominate the Chinese and world markets if it can deliver on this promise. Many consumers say they would buy an electric vehicle if they were more affordable, and $25,000 seems like a fair price. So that's it for the video, guys. What do you think of Tesla bringing a cheap electric car to the market? Let us know in the comments. If you're a fan of Tesla innovations and want to see more about Tesla and electric vehicles, subscribe to us as we're making videos on these topics twice a week.